Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up brand consistent buttons in Figma, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new file. Select the frame tool and choose a desired frame size for your design. Use the rectangle tool to create a button shape. Adjust the dimensions and corner radius to your liking. Fill the button with your brand color. Select the text tool and click on the button to add text. Type the call to action for the button, such as sign up or learn more. Customize the font style, size, and color to match your brand guidelines. Align the text in the center of the button using the alignment tools in Figma. Group the button shape and text together for easy management. If your brand has multiple button styles, repeat the process for each variation. Create a component by selecting the button group and clicking on the Create Component option. Name the component appropriately, such as primary button or secondary button. To ensure brand consistency, define the button styles in a design system. Open the Assets panel and locate your button component. Drag your button component onto your frame as needed. If adjustments are required, double-click the component to make changes. Figma will automatically update all instances of the button across your design. Use the instance feature to create variations while keeping the main component intact. Preview your designs to ensure the buttons fit seamlessly within the overall layout. Organize your components in a dedicated page for easy access. You're now ready to use brand-consistent buttons in your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.